I am. Radcliff and I are in Amarillo, Texas for a quick stop on our way to Colorado and check out what we did. Well, he watched, I did the work.
Just off historic Route 66, the legendary highway that will celebrate its 100th birthday in 2026, sits one of the quirkiest and most iconic roadside attractions in America, Cadillac Ranch. Now, you just don't visit the place, you experience it. You become part of its evolving campus. Cadillac Ranch was born in 1974 when a group of San Francisco artists known as the Ant Farm teamed up with Amarillo billionaire Stanley Marsh III. Their vision? A line of 10 Cadillacs, buried nose first in the Texas dirt. Each car represents a model from 1949 to 1963. A homage to the heyday of American automotive flair. And yes, they're tilted at the same angle as the Great Pyramid of Giza. Before arriving, I knew I couldn't just look, I had to leave a mark. This was a bucket list activity for me. So I brought 2 cans of spray paint and joined the tradition. My colors blended with layers from past visitors, each one telling its own story. I sprayed Solo Travel Girl across the roof of one of the Cadillacs, knowing full well that it might be painted over as soon as I left. But for a moment, it was mine. Cadillac Ranch isn't fenced in, guarded, or formal. It's wild, it's free, it's dog-friendly. And it's Americana in neon colors and rust. Every person who stops here becomes part of something bigger than themselves. Whether you're here with your family, your dog, or just your thoughts, this place welcomes everyone. As Route 66 turns 100 next year, Cadillac Ranch stands tall as a testament to imagination, rebellion, and the ever-changing spirit of the road, one coat of paint at a time.
Thanks so much for watching, and remember, life's too short, so always say yes to adventure. Bye.